Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here, Val, and welcome to the new update on Sleepless AI. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Sleepless AI has formed another rising wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that we have broken down the support of this rising wedge pattern. You can see that since after 21st of January 2024, it was moving inside this wedge. When we found the resistance here, we got rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and this was the last rejection that was happening here on 19th of Feb 2024. At the same time, the price line was also rejected by this quite strong resistance of $1.93. And after that, the price line broke down the support of $1.67 that was previously breaking as a resistance here, and now it was breaking as a support. And now after the breakdown, it is again flipped into a strong resistance. Now the price line is moving between this very strong support zone that starts from $1.50 and goes to $1.40, and there's a resistance of $1.67. You can see that this support zone has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance zone. We got rejection here, we got rejection here, we got rejection here, and after the breakout, it is flipped into a very strong support. We had a very nice bounce here and another bounce here, and now it can again break as a strong support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this downtrend line resistance as well. Previously, you can see we found this bigger resistance, a downtrend line resistance, and we broke it out. We had a nice pump, and now we have found another such resistance, but this is the smaller than the previous one. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Sleepless AI that I shared a few days ago on 17th of Feb 2024 with my members. And this move produced almost 38% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Sleepless AI that I shared on the 16th of Feb, by the way. And this was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that Sleepless AI formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. This was a complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line moved more down inside this buying zone here. And then we had a very nice pump, and it rallied beyond the sell target zone, and it rallied almost 38%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart, and this is the daily time frame chart. And previously you can see that it was moving inside this wedge. We broke it out, and we had a nice short pump, but the price line could not break out this long-term downtrend line resistance. And this was in fact the formation of a symmetrical triangle. We had this uptrend line support that is still working as a support for the price line. It can still work as a support for the price line if the price line will be moved here. You can see, and we had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here. And if the price line reaches here, then it can again work as a nice support. And here we got the resistance of this symmetrical triangle. And now, recently you can see that we have found another downtrend line support after breaking down this rising wedge pattern. By the way, the technical target for this wedge is here at the bottom of the wedge. That is approximately at $1.05. But before that, we have a lot of support levels. Like we have a quite strong support. First, we need to break it down. And you can see that since we have broken it down, this wedge, the price line is not able to break down this support level that starts from $1.50 and goes to $1.40. And after that, we have this uptrend line support. That was the previous support of this symmetrical triangle. That can be another very, very strong support. And then we will have another strong support at $1.22. And then we will have another resistance as support here at $1.11. Therefore, now, first we need to keep an eye on this support zone. If it will be broken down, then we can expect a further move to the downside. However, so far so good. The price and it getting accumulated between this resistance and support. And this is the formation of a descending triangle. You can see we have found this support here for this triangle, and the resistance is here, and the movement is now getting squeezed. In case of breaking out this descending triangle, the target to the upside can be here. that will be approximately at $2.23. And in that situation, the price line can also re-enter the previous rising wedge pattern that was previously broken down. And it can also break out this long-term resistance of $1.93.3. And after breaking out this resistance, it can be flipped into a long-term support for the price. And in this rally to the upside will be continue for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.